Hey, my name is John from Chattis. We're the ATRA Gulf States chapter. I want to say a big thank you to WIT and everybody that came out and had a great time at the CVT class that we had. We learned a bunch of great information. We hope to be able to use this information to really better the business and the industry as a whole. So a big thank you to WIT, and I can't tell you guys how excited we were to leave out of that class with all the great information that we got. So thank you again for all the attendees and everyone that was able to show up, and especially WIT for hosting the class.
Pull this pulley all the way open, okay, to be able to get your belt and everything back on. If it's all the way closed, you have no slack here. All right, so what you're going to do first, put your puller on there, your TJ1, pull it all the way up. It's another little tool. 4L80 extension housing bushing, okay? We just cut it in half, drill a couple holes in it. What you're going to do, because you're going to need your TJ1, your puller, for this side, okay? So you're gonna pull this, shove that bushing in there just like that right there, all right? Got her on press down. Go ahead and run a cut back on there.
Oh, now you can still have to use the ball.
I thought it was a great class. I'm very thankful for them for coming out and teaching us, and it really encouraged me to want to learn more about the CVT transmissions.
Absolutely loved it. Learned a lot. Now I get to go home and rebuild my own.
There you go.
It was a good class. I enjoyed it. It was very informative. There's a lot of them on the market now, and you got to see a lot of old guys I used to work with from Pensacola up in Bruton.
So it's a good time to fellowship too.
Yeah. I had a good time.
So what'd you think about the class, Marvin?
Love it.
Good deal. Anything in particular stand out?
Money to be made.
There you go.
Two thumbs up.
Nice. Anything in particular stand out?
Everything.
Nice. Good deal.
Explanation of how it worked, what we need to do to fix it. Two thumbs up. That's all I
Awesome.
can say.
Appreciate it.